Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 11, Session 43, Titration Concepts. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to explain titration, equivalence point, endpoint, and basic acid-base calculations. Listen for these key terms: titration, equivalence point, endpoint, standard solution, indicator. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. A titration is a controlled reaction used to determine an unknown concentration. A standard solution with known concentration is added to the unknown until stoichiometric amounts have reacted. The equivalence point is the chemical point where the mole ratio is exactly satisfied. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. For a 1-to-1 strong acid strong base reaction, M acid times V acid equals M base times V base. For other ratios, use moles and the balanced equation. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Simple titration calculation. A 25.0 milliliter HCl sample is neutralized by 30.0 milliliter of 0.100 molar NaOH. The reaction is 1-to-1. M acid times 25.0 milliliters equals 0.100 molar times 30.0 milliliters. M acid equals 0.100 times 30.0 divided by 25.0, which is 0.120 molar. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning, not from guessing. Here is a second example. The endpoint should be close to the equivalence point, but they are not identical ideas. Choosing a suitable indicator helps the observed endpoint match the chemical equivalence point. Now answer this self-check. What is the equivalence point? A strong answer should include the point where stoichiometric amounts have reacted. Hint, it is defined by the mole ratio in the balanced equation. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Calculate unknown HCl molarity if 20.0 milliliters HCl needs 18.0 milliliters of 0.150 M NaOH. Task 2. Explain endpoint versus equivalence point. Task 3. Describe why a standard solution is useful. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.